Hey guys, it's me Ryan, and today I'm going to be playing Fortnite Creative. So, I made a video how I built like a castle or something, but I changed my mind and built to Arena. So, most of it I did myself. A couple people helped me out. So, yeah, about 4 people helped me out. So, one of them was named Mai. I might give her a shout out. Another person named Krish. Another person, I don't really know, but it was my friend's Krish, his friend. So I'll give you a quick tour, but my computer is laggy. So whenever you start a game, you always start from one of these areas, but my thing's really laggy. So my mouse. And so in open these, start battle, and then if you step on these, people know where you are. So the way you have to play this is it's like a normal game, but you have to collect as much coins as possible. And my favorite area to go is up here. This is where this is island of, what's it called? The coins or something, I don't know. Comment down below what I should name it. So I'm gonna fill these up with weapons and stuff. So yes. But my things are not showing. Okay, finally. So last time it went really hard because I accidentally placed one of these monster spawners, and it destroyed my whole base. So I had to restart, like half of it, and yeah. Oh, so for this, I'm gonna place it like right here. I'm gonna place it like all the way around here. So okay, I'm gonna put some more. So just get rid of this. So I'm sorry guys, I haven't recorded for like ages, and I'm sorry that I did like too much of camera work. So I'm sorry for both of those things. It's just that I had homework. I was away because I had homework, and if I didn't finish it, my mom will get mad. So sorry guys. Oh, 2 blocks gone. But so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna invite as much people as possible. So I'm gonna like invite 4 people, and they have to try and so whoever wins so how do I say it? It's gonna be 1 round, right? It's going so whoever's last standing. I'm gonna invite 4 more people, and whoever's last standing that. So the person that won on the other round has to verse the other team, and whoever wins on the other team has to verse the guy, and then that's gonna be the semi-final. And then another team comes, right? Then they defeat that team, and then there will be 3 people left, right? So, and then that's the grand final. So, and whoever wins that round is the winner. And when youth comes back, they'll get something. and everyone has to give him something, or he, her. I'm gonna add a couple of chillers to annoy people, because you don't know how annoying chillers are. If you don't play this game, they're really annoying. Wait, I just really like it. 1 second, guys. So I'm gonna put some all around this place. So they just like make your legs frozen, so like feet, frozen feet. So I'll show you exactly. See that happens. I think that's enough. So yeah. Right now, like other things. So then you even start with what's it called? A golden pump. Wish I added. What's this? I never used it. Music screen. I don't know. It's a screenshot. What is it? Right there, because I don't know. I don't eat that one. I eat the big ones. So yes. So guys, I'm back. As I was saying, I think I should cover that up. Okay. So what? Oh, this. So I'm going to destroy this, but the coins will get destroyed. So I'm going to end the video right here. So yeah, guys, and so bye.